Alright guys, welcome back. So here we have my OnePlus 7T. Over here is the OnePlus 7 Pro. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing the unboxing and a quick review of the infamous Sandstone case. This is not the Sandstone case right here. This is actually the silicone case. I've actually done a video for it. I'll leave it on the top right corner up there for you to check out. And if you're new to the channel, do consider subscribing. It really helps the channel grow and helps me bring more content to you. And if you do subscribe, please do hit the bell icon next to it. So here is the OnePlus 7T, using it for a couple of days, really love it. And I don't know why I have the latest update on the 7 Pro. I don't know why OnePlus hasn't released this for the 7 Pro, this little white fingerprint scanner. All I have is this green one. I really hope that OnePlus releases this kind of like white one for the OnePlus 7 Pro. I find this to be a little bit better, and overall really loving the design of the 7T. Nothing in comparison to the 7 Pro. Still working on the review for the 7T and the video for the comparison between these two phones, which will be out very soon. So if you are new, do consider subscribing. So here is that silicone case. I really enjoyed using this case. Doesn't get my phone dirty, really easy to use, and you know, I can clean it if I need to with like a damp cloth. If you want to, you can actually wash the case, but I'm not sure how the insides will fare. You might have to dry it out a little bit because it's this kind of like a plush material inside, so it might take some time to dry that off. But here is the OnePlus 7T in the frosted glass. I have done the unboxing for this. I'll leave it up there as well as in the link in the bio for you to check out. Yeah, pretty cool device. But what we are here for today is the Sandstone case for the OnePlus 7T. This is the third video that I'm doing for the Sandstone case. I've done it for the 7 Pro as well as the 6T. So a very similar design to this case right here. But this is actually a protective case. I think this is called a bumper case. Biggest difference is it says for the silicone, it says it's a bumper case, but for the Sandstone, it says it's a protective case. So huge difference when it comes to both the cases. Now, in terms of the pricing, this one is for $29.95 on the US website. This one is for $24.95 on the US website. So $5 cheaper. Let's see what the $5 gets you. If you are planning on purchasing either the device or the case, I'll leave my personalized referral link down below for you to check out, and it'll help you save money on your OnePlus device, your case, as well as a special referral link for their earbuds. So let's take this off. Very similar design to the box that came for the silicone case. There's two tapes at the bottom, so we're just gonna take this off. And we're simply going to slide this out right here. Okay, and before we even take a look at this inside, it's very simple design. They have the OnePlus logo at the top, and inside it says never settle. Now the first look at this case, let's take a look. Really smooth design. I've always loved the Sandstone case because, you know, it's a much better grip when it comes to your phone than the carbon case I found. But let's take it out. It's actually the same packing as the silicone case design. Now let's take a look inside the case. So in this case, it's a pure plastic case inside. There is no plush material like it's in this silicone case right here. And same thing at the bottom, it says designed by OnePlus. Same thing over here, designed by OnePlus. Now, as you can see, that this is more of a, you know, very minimal protective case compared to this one right here, which is your silicone case. Right away you can see that at the top over here, it's not going to protect your phone if you drop your phone like this. Good thing for the 7T, good thing and a bad thing, depends on how you look at it. There is no camera housed up here like on the 7 Pro. The front camera is located up here. There is no front camera up here. It's actually in this little droplet of a notch. If you were using this case and you dropped your 7 Pro face down like this, there is a chance that you might break your 7 Pro's camera. It's a very fragile motor that's inside here. They don't even recommend that you use face unlock for the 7 Pro. It does say that after, you know, a certain amount of time that it will break down. I think it's rated at 3, it might be 3,000 or 30,000. I'll leave it on the bottom left over there, the correct amount of what they've rated this motor to go up and down, up and down. So do keep that in mind. So back to the topic over here, when we're talking about the top of the phone, it's not going to protect that. There's no top, there's no coverage at the top. And same thing at the bottom, there is zero coverage for the bottom of your device. If you're not careful with your phones and you are finding that you drop your phones regularly, do keep that in mind that, this is just protecting your sides of the phone and the back of the phone. One thing I have noticed right now is that camera protection is a little bit better on this one compared to this over here. So let's take a look. This right here, so they have raised edges for the camera design on the Sandstone case. Okay, you see that? But when we're talking about the silicone design, they don't have that. If you are placing your phone like this will provide a little bit more coverage for that. But I'm expecting this camera to be a little bit more fragile than the 7 Pro. It's a little bit bigger. Onto the sides of this, there is no coverage for your volume rocker. So it's going to be, bare. And same thing with your slider and your power function button right here. It's bare. So let's plug this in to here and let's take a look. So like they say, come in from your left side. Very simple to do. All you have to do is go in like this, and we're just going to snap it in from the bottom like that. And then same thing at the top. That's it. Here is that OnePlus 7T Sandstone case. Really like this case. I've always loved the Sandstone series, but in terms of protection, this one is your go-to. Guarantee this one will be a little bit better when it comes to protecting your phone. At the end of the day, it's always recommended that you do get the warranty that comes with the OnePlus device. Let me know in the comment section down below what your thoughts are on these two cases. Which one do you prefer? This one, the silicone case, or the Sandstone case? Overall, I feel like this has much more protection, but the Sandstone case has a better grip. Strictly because of the grain-like texture at the back, it's much easier to hold compared to the silicone case. Silicone case is pretty good, like I mentioned in the video for this one, where the back is decent, but the sides are much better than the free case. In terms of protection, the silicone case will trump both the Sandstone case as well as the free case that comes with the phone. But in terms of the grip, I have to give it up for the Sandstone case. And if you are a person who really wants the minimal design, then, obviously you should go for the Sandstone case. As you can see there at the back, they've raised the edge for the cameras. So they have raised edges for the sides of the phone, as you can see over here. In terms of the button placement, it's pretty good. You have access to your SIM card slot, your USB port, as well as your speakers, so those areas aren't covered. On the sides over here, you have your access to your power button as well as the sliders, and then same thing with the volume button over here, access to all of that stuff. So there you guys have it. Here is that OnePlus Sandstone case. It's the 27th of October here in Canada, so if you are celebrating Diwali, happy Diwali. Let me know in the comment section down below where you are watching this video from. As always, thank you for watching. If you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe by hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. There's a couple more videos coming out for the 7T, including the comparison between these two devices, the 7 Pro over here and the 7T. 7 Pro is a little bit more expensive, I think $100 more than the 7T, but let's see what's different between the two devices and which one is going to be the better one for you. As always, thank you for watching. All the links are down below if you are planning on purchasing not only the device or the cases as well as the headphones that OnePlus offers. It'll be listed down below for you to check out, and it's a personalized link for you to go to the OnePlus website. It's going to save you money. It's not going to charge you anything extra. I just get the points, which helps me bring great content to the channel. As always, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to do the review for the 7T, and I really want to bring the McLaren edition on to the channel as well for the 7 Pro. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.